so painful we didn't win our game. It's Mama G Baba Kwab.
Yeah, yeah.
Imagine and the wins is one found who crowd.
Right. Okay. Oh, it does say.
Imagine Pato. And that program, no one is saying, once a new television stations in town. What I say, new things. No, what do you have to say about all this program?
Oh, me who say be fine. Be cool.
Maji Pacho, Crackran, Mejawa Mawakon, Mr. Obendoze, Attention TV, my Namejawa Mawakon.
This is Mama G, the first run of season 1. Watch out for Attention TV. Watch it out. Check it out.
Thank you very much, Mama G. Over to you, Mr. MC, Master of Ceremony. Over to you. Sure. You
okay.
Have so many.
Okay. Oh no, you can join it, please. Over to you. Okay.
Thank you very much. Good evening. Me Mama Kwaba. Chi English and I'm in blended. Hey, me they're too big for me. Anyway, me Mama Kwaba about Attention TV.
Thank you.
Me pacho be bo din atre.
Your friend Hilda, Diasa season 5.
Okay, Hilda, Diasa season 5. Me pacho obendozi Attention TV amani. In the one say her crowd. Hey, green, you're rocking in green, you know.
Thank you. Okay, I didn't make a choice and say, in your mega me panya fake, Attention TV, new station neighbor, Jana, show what do mommy, back body, Mindam of famous. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
She said, "O wa koko body what you say?"
Hey, in Nugafi of you. I found me Ghana, trust me, we are
So to sum it up in English, what does that mean?
What does that mean? Yeah. You dance and then we shaking.
No, I mean, yeah, we shake the body.
Yes.
So can you shake the body for me to see?
No, I don't know how to dance.
No, I mean,
I leave that over to Mama G.
Different shaking the body, different dancing.
I can't.
So just give me some shaking. Give me some shaking. Okay. Clap for her for me. I think let's take on Minister Martin Hayford. Okay. Minister Martin Hayford, you can join us. Yeah. Oh, show some love to him. Show some love to him. Yeah. The gospel artist.
Hi. You're welcome to Attention TV.
Thank you very much.
My last 2 lines of your song. Like I say, I feel we miss you in the system. Give us some riddles of your song. We want to feel your vibes. Wow, thank you very much. This shows that because the sound, everything, combine it clicks together. Well, thank you very much. You're welcome to Attention TV.
Thank you very much.
We are really pleased to have you here. Endorse the Attention TV.
So this is Attention TV. Watch Attention TV. Like, subscribe, and share.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Hey, MC. It's like you want to overthrow me with this whole thing.
Oh no! I love you see I love the voice.
What's
the voice?
Which one?
The voice.
Sing and
I mean the voice.
You sing and
but I love the voice.
But you sing.
I just love
just
the voice.
Just one line.
Okay. He said.
But I'm saying you should sing.
He said, "Here are the portion." This one is B flat. Oh, B flat. Let's show some love to Minister Martin Hayford. Yeah, the song is so spectacular. So tantalizing, precocious. I love the song so much. I heard this song at South Africa. They were just dancing the song, but I don't know the meaning. And I said, "He's my brother." They said, "Wow, really?" They were just giving to that time. I just became a superstar there.
Hey,
oh, Master DJ fans. Make a cannot mean many baby. Sanity. I didn't say, Mr. Pan said, "Thank to your brother or the ones by third person that God bless for coming." Oh, God bless for third person that God bless you for coming. Oh, shake the hand for me. Shake the hand for me. Tell us God bless you for coming. That's it. Sani Bekono, kakran. We should all watch out. We should all watch out for Attention TV. Attention TV. Paul Ambantem Nanso Obesing Edikanfo. Sinamuna Munemu. We Agape Estate. United States of Agape. It's no men sembre krano. And one yekono. I think say yebaya wa kwa bakakra. Mesre watransi ache. Bese momus kakama me. Na tia nipa mienu miense na akwa ba mama wate. Mesre pa yemme musu. Then nant mama mesre pa mamusu nante. O tia nipa 5, 10, 15. Which akwaba. I can see Madam Christie here and the husband. I can see Flash Pharmacy, a whole Flash Pharmacy in this building. Oh, I love that. Please shake 2 people, 10 people, 20 people. One shake could be man can say, oh, you can shake the Diasa people for me, man. Oh, shake Mr. Martin for me, okay? Oh, I love that. Sir. We shake here, no man a hack. No, if you come a man holy kiss. Say, you look so sweet tonight. I think I can give someone peck. I think I can give you some peck. I can give you some peck. Sir, and I'm talking about holy kissing. That's it. Oh, I love that. Yamishamuna. What a wonderful. Sir. Oh, bonsem, mame. Okay. Maybe I don't know. Invited guests here. By Bumudina, we try to announce their presence here in our mess. Mr. Pan, the ushers know Obibianya Niso and Mame. Sir. Mr. Pan said, I know we now know a dinner party. And then I transaction hobum, no high table, Obia table, a high table. So Mr. Pan said, boat dinner. Now I'm on Sasso, near the Samoka then a show crying. At least, what also compare, no with Yamaya, and you who's our Ariana, your bones and not transformers from Jim. To me, they started the Apostle AJ of the Pentecostal Faith Divine. Oh, Bonsimano. I love this man. Okay, one of the humble anointing of God. This man can preach. One year, Ukuyado can watch by son. Now, who is Kakada Chobi? Bonsimano. I love the man. He's so gentle. That's Pentecostal Faith Divine Ministry. And I'll add international to it. I love that. And then Prophet Paul. Oh, Bonsim, Holy Divine Rescue Chapel. Oh, Bonsimano. Prophet, oh, come. Bonsim, oh, Bonsimano. One of the gentle ministers too. Apostle Donko Obo. Oh, Bonsimano. I think say okay. That's matter from Hands of Prayer Ministry. Okay, Hands of God Prayer Ministry, sir. Because say Hands of Louis Suarez. Okay. Prophet Samuel Nyakon Matata. Prophet Samuel Nyakon. Oh, Bonsimano, so I'm council Eba. We have Mama D in the house. Mama G, Sonnie, the whole Ghana, bless you from. We have Mama G in the house. Oh, show some love. That dear suffering. Do. Bounce. Mama G for me. Ha. Avoid, who is this? Now, who not put a minute to ne swag no masa enye easy kura. Bonsimano. We have Madam Christiana from Flash Pharmacy. Show some love to her. Oh, Madam, let's see. Oh, no, we want to see you. Okay. And then Mami Yanka, Agape Yanka ina yehu ene yare. Upe do bia Mami ubenyebu. She sell quality medicine. Nindre na from London. No fake medicine. We ba ubenyabu tre asho kama. Me ba I wono Mami na man do after and then Bonsimano. One of the finest women. I employ a lot of youth in Agape here. And can you so bad trace a for her? And can remember you be na yejuma. Oh, Mama, God bless you. The husband too is here. Oh, let's show some love to Mr. Dennis. Oh, show some love. Let's your hands up. Yeah, that behind every successful man there is a good, beautiful, and then succulent woman. Not just woman, no, a beautiful, succulent woman. You can see that in Song of Solomon chapter 3 verse 2. Sir. Mebuana. Abas Mebuana. No. My idea. Next we tell you to buy Safa. Okay. We have WO1 David Aite. WO1 David Aite. So Rebecca in Sawaha. Okay. We have Joma Manche. I think so. Nothing I'm going to Eba. And then we have Ivy Godia from ITV, from ATV, and okay, Omedu and Sawaha. And then Minister Martin Herford, one of the finest gospel musicians, the humble. Papa we wakwechi pa but obren wansen. Bonsimano. Ghana ha obi abon hete ba ko mienu mensa pre. Ana mono ban betiso. Sa but no way obren wansen pa. Oh, let's show some love to the superstar again. Show some love to him. God bless you. We have Reverend Prophet Isaac Labi. Omeka Sawaha. We have Christian Asante. See you. Okay, Christiana. Maboni deda. Okay, yenyan ka say I from eba. Nti Omeka Sawaha. Ye twa mo ha. Okay. Besamo edin no ati se de wo me ha no maboma esi etino mesere me ladies no se de aka no so no mama sanka na mefa ento aso eman asondue mu itembra me introduce awie no the chairman will be introduced very soon to us, but anyway this year no ebeto aso ne about the purpose of gathering let us and for your Gloria Sika. Show some love to her as she gave us the purpose of gathering.
Ago. Oh, amen. Yeda obi biara say we gave out invitation that people should be here. Now, Mudi Ose yo. You people have come and you have come in your numbers. So we thank you all. We are here to establish Attention TV. Oh, I know we didn't want to. We are here to establish Attention TV. Brofo kakrakano, me put it the short. Ni NAANA say waha. Tie baby Attention TV and no. It's me pamocho. Monsha mosapo musu. Na montana se na grono afi krani ebeshasi. MC, over to you.
Oh, bonsema Gloria Sika. Sena Okaya no, once saying one of the finest pharmacy in Agape here. Yes, I know the second best television here to her. Now say click in day, na afa. But your mama akwaba. Okay. I think say D-Baby, the first, Amadi Bacho, Onoye, winner of the Asa season 9, season 1, D-Baby. Season 4, but you're going to Emma D-Baby, you're going to Mano. Please, let's your hands up, show us some love. D-Baby, show us, oh, sorry, show, and easy. Only the first, season 4, first. And I also runner up for, that's why you're here for winners, no? Okay. But you're Christian Mensa, CPP. Christian Mensa. Oh, Bonsimano. Our happy. Menyantia say, Joma Hineno Abekayansa. Joma Hineno Abekayansa. But so ha, ye Bukan Ediamano. Mr. Pamaya Memuska Emano, Adama, Omona Manyan, Omatmaton, Samayan, Sabay landlord, and ladies, this were high. Mr. Pamposia, the chief of the land. Oh, bouncem, the chief of the land. Jumba Manche. Ni Juma. Apashon. Oh, bouncem. Joma Manche. Sa. And sa. Oh, but show some love to the chief of the land. That is it. Let's say BBIAC. But to act so mommy. Okay. Program 9, your question. then the goes to Abonasa, Mr. Pansa, may hear the CEO, may hear the CEO, Ewaha, CEO of Attention TV. See you next time. How about your OPMM? OPMM. It's a Mr. Pansa, Mumaya, is here or here, Nabet Trans Amaye, Pachopa, Mumaya, and Yumba Kubi. Na Meton said a Prayer Minister Martin Hefford, no my and Yumba. Na it me that stir the atmosphere. A warm welcome. A warm welcome, sir, because submission was had here, man, Metina Quasa, sir. In a replay, we have a show too from the DSA film. Once more show back home. Enter crying, PH Medi, and not assume Demo, no be the right level of Attention TV. Mr. Fransamoka Sessia, Minister Martin Hefford, Minister Martin Hefford, Minister Martin Hefford, Minister Martin Hefford, sir.
Jesus.